Want to embed external code or components right onto your blog post or display an external site? You can do so by using HTML. And here's how you can do it. Here on the blog editor, go to the plus button on the left. Then look for HTML code, and here click on Edit HTML. If you want to embed an HTML code, input your code here. If you want to embed a link, however, select Link and enter your HTTPS link over here. You can click on Save once you're done, and it should successfully be embedded right onto your post. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking on Save. And if your blog post has previously been published, make sure to click Publish again in order for the changes to take effect on your live post as well. And there you have it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.